Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smita. Welcome to my channel. It's officially summer and so many of you wanted me to do a no foundation routine, which is perfect because that's exactly what I do. I do more of a no makeup look with minimal products and mostly affordable products. So without further ado, let's get started. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. During summer, I wash my hair pretty much every single day. I'm just the kind who doesn't like to sweat and doesn't like sweat in my hair especially. So my hair is still damp and I'll show you what I do with my hair too. But first, let's focus on the makeup. I always start with a face moisturizer. I'm using Aveeno. It helps to soothe the face after a shower, especially because the water tends to dry your face. So it'll smooth everything out and keep it ready for what's coming up next. This is probably the most important step of all, applying a sunscreen, and I'm using the Nature's Gate Kids Sunscreen. This has an SPF of 50, but it's also very mild on the skin. It doesn't irritate the skin. My eyes don't water. So I like kids products because it works and it's mild, and I use this on me and my kids as well. But just remember that sunscreens only last for a certain amount of time. The one that I'm using lasts for anywhere from 40 minutes to an hour. And after that, I touch up my face with the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist. It's a sunscreen but can be sprayed on top of your makeup. It doesn't spoil your makeup and still protects your face from the harsh sunlight. So I highly recommend using a cream and then touching up your face with spray. You can see that white cast on my face from the sunscreen, so I'm going to let it kind of seep in and settle in. By then, I'm going to prime my lips using a chapstick. Although we want that no makeup look, we still want to cover some of that uneven skin tone on the face, and for that, I'm going to use an orange corrector to cancel out the blue underneath. And the one that I'm using is from the Coastal Scents Conceal palette. You can use any orange corrector that you have. You can see it's already made such a big difference by comparing the two sides. I'm only going to use it under my eyes and around the mouth, and then I'm going to diffuse off the edges so it blends in seamlessly with my skin tone. And then I'm going to very lightly dust some loose powder on top of this so it settles in and does not move. And now you have to bring this orange color to your skin tone, and for that you need a concealer which is your skin color. For that, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Golden Door, which is my skin tone. I buy the same color foundation. You shouldn't be using anything lighter or darker. Make sure it's exactly your skin tone color. I'm going to dot it right on top of the color corrector with my finger and blend it out. And then I'm going to use a sponge for a more seamless blend. And whatever residue is left on the sponge, I'm going to use it on my lids as well. Although we blended everything out as seamlessly as possible, there's still a few patches that separate out the bare skin from the areas that we use the concealer. And for that, I'm going to use a loose powder to even out everything. And the one that I'm using is the Airspun Translucent Loose Powder. I'm going to be applying it with a powder puff to seamlessly blend all the bare skin with the areas where I applied the concealer. Try not to use a pressed powder or compact because those are powder foundations basically, and that'll make your face look cakey, so it negates the whole purpose of going for a no foundation look. And also, you don't want a thick blanket on your face, especially during summer. That's when you start sweating more, so try to stick to a loose powder. You can see it seamlessly blended everything out, but you can see a few of my acne spots and scars, which I'm okay with because we're still going for that no makeup look. With my brows, I literally spend less than a minute. I first use the Milani Brow Shaping Gel just to keep the brow hair in shape. I just brush my brow hair upwards, and then using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit in the shade 6, I just fill in a couple of sparse areas and I'm done. For that very light hue of rosiness, I'm going to be using this blush from Sephora. It's called So Shy. It's a very light blush. It just gives you just enough color on your face. Almost looks like you went out in the sun and got sunburnt, and it just makes it look so pretty. I enjoy a good strobe to my face, especially during summer, so I'm going to be highlighting my face using the Maybelline Master Chrome. I honestly don't care for a well chiseled face, especially if I'm going for a no makeup look and during summer. I rather have something that looks healthy with a healthy glow and a light blush. I think there's something so pretty about it. And for that reason, I didn't contour my face, but if you like to contour your face, you might as well. And now to lock everything in, I'm going to be using a setting spray. The one that I'm using is the Rose Setting Spray. That's the new one from Wet n Wild. With my eyes, I don't really do any eye makeup, but I do apply a mascara, and the one that I'm using is the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. This is smudge proof and water resistant, so it works great for summers. My go-to everyday nude lipstick is Spring Roll from Colourpop. This is such a pretty shade. It's my lip color, but a better version of my lip color. I apply it directly even without a lip liner because I want it to look as natural as possible. And then I remove the excess using a tissue paper, and I lightly dust some loose powder that'll make it transfer proof. And that's pretty much it on the makeup. With my hair, I let it air dry like I just did, and then I use a shine spray like this one from Tresemme is my go-to. I also use coconut oil sometimes just to give that nice shine to my hair. It's again a healthy glow to my hair. And yeah, here's my final look. I hope this was useful and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment below and let me know if you want to watch more videos like these. For your convenience, I'm listing all the products that I used in the description box below. Along with that, I also have my social media links listed in the description box below. So if you plan to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.